Start my day with simple sound. Soft music plays all around. I hear English nice and slow. I learn new words I wanna know. I listen carefully each time. Learning with music feels just fine.
The rhythm helps me understand. Easy words feel close at hand. I repeat them line by line. The sounds become a friend of mine. No pressure, no need to rush. Music helps me learn so much.
I relax and take my time. I follow every simple line.
With music playing soft and true, English feels easier to do. I am learning with music every day. I practiced English in a gentle way. I listen, repeat, and sing along. Learning English feels calm and strong. I am learning with music today. I grow a little more each day.
I hear English in the song. Short and simple, not too long. Clear pronunciation helps me see how English sounds naturally. Every note, every word helps my English to be heard.
I learn English at my pace in a quiet, comfortable space. Music keeps my mind at ease. Learning English feels like peace. I enjoy each sound I hear. English feels friendly and clear.
I don't worry, I don't fear. I learn something new right here.
Little steps with every tune help my English grow so soon.
I am learning with music every day. I practice English in a gentle way. I listen, repeat, and sing along. Learning English feels calm and strong. I am learning with music today. I grow a little more each day. Some days slow, some days fast. Every moment helps me last. With music by my side, I let English be my guide.
I play the song and listen twice. The melody feels warm and nice. I remember words with sound. Music helps them stick around. Learning habits feel so light. Music makes my practice right.
I enjoy learning English now, with music showing me how.
I feel relaxed, I feel okay. Learning English every day. With every song I choose, I learn English with the music. I am learning with music every day. I practice English in a gentle way. I listen, repeat, and sing along. Learning English feels calm and strong. I am learning with music today. I grow a little more each day.
I keep learning with music slow. I like the progress that I know.
With simple songs along the way,
I learn English every day.